my zero carb pizza just got here, so I figured we would do a testing zero carb pizza video. You guys, this pizza is actually made out of chicken. The crust is some kind of ground chicken. I don't know. I actually ordered this off of Instagram middle of the night. I was starving. I've been fasting, so I'm starving, and I saw this advertisement come up, and it looked amazing. They claim it's zero carb, and it just got here, so I figured we would unbox it, cook it, see how it tastes. So let me go ahead and show it to you guys. So I don't know, guys. You know, I was reading the reviews though, and they said it's delicious, but this was quite expensive. So I'm not sure, but it did come. Let's see here. I just unboxed the top, but this is what we got so far. And inside, okay, it looks like it was melting. The ice packs were melting. So here is some literature about it, our receipt. So guys, this was $99. Can you believe it? That's a lot of money for pizza. And so let me see here. Unlocking perfect crispiness. That's what drew me to it, because when I've been eating low carb and I'm just wanting those crispy things so bad. I was totally addicted to crispy everything, you know, crisps, chips, potato chips, pretzels. So now I'm just wanting something crispy again. So let's see here. Zero carb life community. And okay, let's go ahead and look at the good stuff. Now here's our pizza. So yeah, the ice packs did melt. So it's kind of wet in here. And then let's go ahead and take out the pizza. So we got, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 6 pizzas for $99. But they're pretty small, you guys. So yeah, look at that. I'm gonna make one for me and one for my husband. He says he wants to try it. So it's shredded cheeses, pizza sauce on white meat chicken crust, 31 grams of protein, 5 carbs, gluten-free, no dough, white meat chicken. Oh my god, it sounds wonky, doesn't it? Have you ever tried chicken crust or chicken anything bread made out of chicken? I have not. So let's go ahead and try these out. And so I'm going to put these in the freezer though, and then we'll put the other 2 in the oven. These I love. Did you guys ever try these, the zero carb waffles? These are so good. But you know, I'm not going to have these right now. These do have 21 carbs though, so it's not really that low carb, but they're delicious. They're sugar free, gluten free, so those are really good. So I'm just going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees, and then once it's preheated and it's a good hot temperature, we'll put the pizza in. So I'm just waiting for the oven to heat up, but I'm just going to read what it says here. So it does say prior to baking, you want to keep your pizza frozen. So I did put those others, like you guys saw, back in the freezer. And hopefully they didn't turn weird, because they did kind of melt. So I don't know how long they were traveling for. How long were they on the truck? But yeah, anyway, hopefully it tastes okay. But so yeah, I'm preheating the oven now to 400 degrees. It says place the frozen pizza on the pizza pan or cookie sheet. Okay, we have that. And then place it on a rack in the oven. Do not place the pizza directly on the rack. Oh, it's good to know, because normally that's what I do with my frozen pizzas. The regular pizzas, when I used to eat pizza every day, you guys, I was so addicted. But now I haven't had it in so long. Pizza's like my #1 favorite food. So if I could have anything, it would be pizza, regular pizza from the pizzeria. But anyway, I can't, because I'm gaining too much weight. I was at least 170. So that was after I had lost some weight, and then I won't weigh myself when I feel when I feel really heavy. So I had lost a few pounds, and then I weighed myself and I was like 172. So that was, and I am 5'8", so that was about 2 weeks ago. I did start doing keto, and I lost at least 10 pounds very quickly. I started eating 40 carbs a day. But now I'm trying to eat like 20 carbs a day. I'm really trying to keep the carbs down. So, because I feel like I've stopped losing weight basically. And, crust. Oh, I guess you could order just the crust. So you can, they have different options where you can order just the plain crust, and then I guess you could do your own toppings. That's really good if you want a vegan pizza. You could do vegan cheese. I got the regular cheese pizza today. They also have uncured beef, bacon, and jalapeno pizza. That sounds so good. Buffalo style chicken pizza. I would love to try that, because I love buffalo flavoring chicken. And there's a beef topping pizza. Oh, and then they also have chips. So they have barbecue flavor potato chips, but I guess they're made out of chicken. House flavor chicken, 14 grams of protein and 0 carbs for their chips. Now, I was reading the reviews online though, and people said it's delicious. They said they just don't like how small it is. But it's made from 100% chicken breast, antibiotic free chicken. So, I'm really excited. My oven does take a long time to heat up, so I'm gonna just go make a salad and things like that. I'm gonna make this for my husband. I'm gonna also make him something else. This it looks pretty small. I don't think that'll fill him up. But we'll be back when the oven heats up because again it does take a little bit of time. So I'll be back in a few. So guys, I was just getting it ready to put into the oven. I just had these baking tins. I just had these cake tins. I didn't have a flat, a cookie sheet. But you guys, look at this. It's breaking up already. So it's very delicate. When I was taking it out of the plastic and trying to transfer it, it's all like breaking. So, I hope that's okay. It looks like it's wet. It looks like moisture. I hope it's okay. I'm so scared. I never ordered pizza off Instagram before, so yeah, let me see how it smells. So guys, this is what I'm talking about here. When you try, maybe it's because it's defrosted. They're supposed to be frozen, so they would be harder. But these are defrosted because they were sitting. I guess they were sitting on the UPS truck. I'm not sure. But let me go ahead. I wanted to show you because I was just opening this one, and I'm just trying to show you how delicate these are. You have to be very careful. I mean, maybe it's different when they're frozen, but at this temperature, it's not. It's very delicate. So, yeah, I'm just being really careful when I open it because I don't want this one to break like the other one broke. So you could see I'm just unwrapping it. But okay, this one so far is staying good. So right away the other one started breaking as soon as I took it out of the packaging. Oh yeah, you see, it's kind of breaking already. I don't know if you can see that. It's hard to get off the cardboard onto the pan without breaking. Yep, it broke. So, hopefully it's fine. As long as it tastes good, right? Because I'm going to cut it anyway, right? But, okay. So, yeah, it doesn't smell. So that's good. It smells fresh. So I'm still waiting for the oven, you guys. Hopefully it'll be ready in a few minutes. So I'll be back. So the oven is heated up. I'm going to go ahead and put the pizza in now. So here we go. 15 minutes, but these might be ready sooner because they're defrosted. And normally they say they're frozen. But anyway, I'll just keep checking on it. And, when it's nice and golden and hopefully crispy, we can taste it. And guys, I just wanted to show you these really quickly, but these are so delicious. These are 0-carb butter cookies, those kind of tea biscuit cookies. Oh my goodness, I could not believe it. I saw these on Instagram too, but I had to order these off Amazon. So they come in this tin here, which, I'm definitely going to repurpose. But wait till you see this. You can have 4 of these cookies it's like 10 carbs. So, and can I just tell you, they're amazingly delicious. You know what? I'm gonna have these after pizza. But these are delicious. So I highly could not recommend these more. And I'll have these linked down below. They're from Chalk Zero, premium cookies, keto and gluten-free. And I believe they're sweetened with fruit. Yeah, gluten-free flour, rice flour, vanilla flavoring, and monk fruit. So I love that because I really don't like to eat sucralose. And 140 calories and 11 carbs for 4 cookies. And they're very satisfying. They're super crunchy. So one cookie kind of lasts a good amount of time because, you can take smaller bites and it lasts because they're very crunchy. So these are delicious. I could not wait to come and share these with you. But let's see how this pizza works out for us. I'll be right back. And I just wanted to share some of the nutritional information here on the pizza while we're waiting for it to cook. It does have 5 carbs and 290 calories for one pizza. So I hope you guys could see that. Let me get this really close for you guys. But yeah, gluten-free, sugar-free. Guys, the pizza smells amazing. I don't know how it tastes, but it smells so good. And look at this. It looks like real pizza. So it looks very promising. Look at how crispy it looks. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I think it might be done for me. It's only been about 10 minutes, but it looks pretty done. Do you guys see that? Look how crispy. Oh my goodness. So I had an issue with my microphone, so I'm going to have to do a voiceover from here on out. But you guys, this pizza initially, as you can see, looks super crispy. It actually came out better than I anticipated. It just, oh my goodness, it is just cheesy, oozy goodness, crispy looking goodness. Now, I went ahead and took my pizza cutter and it cut just like a pizza. So initially, the texture of it is very crispy and dough-like, which I really was not expecting. I mean, this really came out more dough-like and more pizza-like than many of the cauliflower pizzas that I've tried in the past, cauliflower pizza crust. But you guys, seriously, it is so good. It tastes so much like New York pizza, New York City pizza from the pizzeria. The sauce, the cheese, the flavoring, and the crust is very crispy. It's very, dense and it's not mushy whatsoever. It's actually so delicious and so crispy. So I wanted to surprise my husband and see if he liked his. So I went and sneaked up sneaked up on him with his pizza here, and you guys, it was a hit. He likes it and he does not like anything. He's a very finicky eater, but he did like it. Roxy snuck a piece too. She really enjoyed it. So, guys, this pizza is definitely a hit. I also couldn't believe how full that it left me feeling. So, I actually only wound up eating 2 slices and I was so full because it does have so much protein in it. So I cannot recommend this pizza more. It is absolutely delicious. Tastes, I would say it tastes just like pizza, yes. And the crust is definitely crispy. It's amazing. It's delicious. I will have it linked down below. And I highly recommend it if you guys are looking for a low carb, zero carb pizza. This is seriously it.